It's raining heavily over here, and I was trying to do a video this morning, giving you guys the update about the number of birds that came back and all. But it kind of slowed down a little bit, the rain, so I'm able to come out and do a real quick video. So all the birds came back except one almond. I believe it was a young almond hen. It was a really nice bird. I lost that bird, but rest of all the birds came back. I caught them, put them back in here. Since raining, they also were in the mood to take a bath. I collect this rainwater, over here in these buckets. It's all about them buckets. Get these paint buckets or anything from people who are throwing it away, and reuse them. Almost slip and fell down right now. It's just really muddy and wet over here. But anyhow, I collect the rainwater over there and use that rainwater for them to take bath. So I put some bath water in all the lofts. So this loft, you can see some birds taking bath. This is what they usually do. They just like lay down on the ground and open the wings up. And here is that brown bar hen the other day that was trying to get in. I caught her and put her in right after I'm done with the video. But put the bath water. Everybody's taking bath. Open this. My phone is getting wet too. And it started raining so hard. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden, it's a rainy day. So this bath pan is a little bit deeper and taller. Sometimes these fantails get stuck in there, they cannot get out. But most of them are pretty smart enough to figure it out and get out. See how the homer jumped in and got out? The problem with the fantails is that sometimes they lay there for a good amount of time, and the water gets soaked in so much that it's too heavy for them to jump out. See whether this guy is smart enough to get out or not. There you go, that's a Baldwin's opal raising homer. Or colored homer. I don't want to call them raising homer, they're colored homers. And that's a brown bar hen the other day that got loose and was trying to get out. And I told you guys that I had to stop the video and go catch her. She's back in the... She's out of a blue Barla saddle cock and a brown, solid brown hen. So she carries the saddle gene as well as the Barla gene. Matter of fact, that is her dad right over there, that blue Barla saddle cock. But the fantail was pretty smart. He got out without any problems. Might not have enough. Enough light in here. Most of the guys are taking baths and chilling over there. Not enough light. Go check out the other loft. Oh, you know what? Those yellow prees that I paired up over here. They I don't know, maybe the red laid eggs too. I know the yellows laid both of the eggs. So I told you this was a pair. She got both eggs over there. So anyhow, I don't want to disturb her or not. But Man, that was not a good idea. She had 2 eggs. What happened to the other egg? Maybe she crushed it. Who knows? Supposed to be 2 eggs over here. I thought she laid 2 eggs, but who knows? So anyway, they laid eggs, and I don't know what is the status on the reds. They laid eggs or not. Okay, she's looking to lay eggs. She hasn't laid yet. All right. Keep the kit box closed because otherwise water will get in there. Try to you guys in here. Don't have that much. Nobody, when usually when I whistle, some of them will get out. Take a look over here to see. Another good thing about the rain is that it cleans the gravel. All this metal over here get cleaned up pretty good. So it's another good thing about it. This is a khaki hen, the diluted brown khaki hen. Matter of fact, this hen was mated to that blue bottle saddle cockroach. So I'll split them up. Here's a bucket getting the rainwater collected. It's a young close stencil former, the black former. Not lying here either, so. It's a nice young red reversing cockwood over there. Got some birds coming out of in this lot. So that's a black full stencil hen over there. Of course, you want to, of all the places you want to sit on the top of the water. So let's go and check out that loft too real quick. Keep one half of the door closed because I don't want too much water to get in. Sometimes the wind can hit. More light in this. Oop. That's a young almond homer cockroach in this room. I really like that bird. It's a dad, mom, and a baby. And if you look, the baby is an opal, like a nice opal is. And if you look at the dad, he's a dark opal. Like he doesn't show the pattern that much, but the baby came out to real nice lace pattern. Birds don't want to really come out because of the rain. And some of them already took bath. That coop, we have some action. But anyhow, I thought about, oh, there you go. The movie came out. Another good thing about the rain, like you can see all these things. You know, I took a scraper and scraped them off too because they were wet. So it's a good way to clean up all these landing boards and all for the birds. Two young birds over here. A nice blue bar homer. A young almond homer over there, both young birds. Hey, there's another brown bar over there. Brown bar homer. But anyhow, I'm gonna cut it out because this rain is still coming hard, so I don't want my phone to get too wet. So just as the update, we lost one almond young bird homer. The rest of the birds all came back. And that's a real heavy rainy day today, so birds are just chilling inside. If they feel like they want to come outside, they come outside, but most of the time they're just relaxing inside. Anyway, everybody, thank you. Have a happy Sunday.